How are you, sir?
Fanya kazi muhimu sana kwa Ifinya.
Very good.
Asante. Mtambue kama ambassador.
Asante.
Asante.
I had planned to have giraffes here. As you can see, we put the feeding troughs.
Yes.
I was planning for you to, to launch the giraffe center because we all know that culture.
Are there giraffes in this forest?
They were supposed to come, but we had some.
Yeah, but I'll meet all of them.
We had planned to do it, but then because of a lot of protocol and hiccups, they were offloaded.
You were supposed to.
They were moved actually.
No, we had done a plan with KWS
To bring some. But the brevity of the time and also constraints in terms of
we can still go ahead to do it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
God bless you.
Still go ahead to do it. Yes. Yeah, let's bring it. Kama ni 5 or so. Ni kama ni come and breed here.